Have you been looking for a cheap way to buy Glow data for your mobile phone? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the cheapest way on how you can buy Glow data for your mobile phone and it lasts for 30 days. Follow me to my screen and I'm going to show you the platform that I use to buy this Glow data.
So guys, I'm on my screen and the first thing that you need to do is to download the Android application that allows us to buy this mobile data for cheap on our mobile phone. So I'm going to go to my Play Store and then we're going to search for the application called Recharge App Instant Top Up. So here's it. I've already searched for it before and I'm going to click on this face, Recharge App Instant Top Up. So here is the application and I'm going to click on it. So if you have not installed yours, you are going to see an install button over here, but I have installed mine. So I'm going to click on open. So I've opened the application and a notification is going to pop up. If you have read the notification and you understand it, you just need to click on the understood button over here. And right now, I'm going to click on the open button. Okay, so we are on our login page on the Recharge app platform, and if you have an account on the Recharge app, all you just need to do is provide your email and then your password and you'll be able to log in. But for those who does not have an account, you need to click on register now. Click on register now and then a page will pop up, and then what you need to do is to provide your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number, and then create an account for this application. If you have someone who referred you, you can provide the referral code over here and then you click on register. So I already have my account, so I'm just going to register immediately. So guys, we're here on the Recharge app dashboard, and the first thing you need to do, if you are new to this platform, you need to go through the application and check the features and services on the Recharge app platform. And if you have any questions or if you have any difficulties, you can check the our blog and guide page by clicking on this hamburger menu, this three-line menu at the top left corner. You click on it and then a menu will pop up, and what you need to do is to navigate to the bottom of the menu where you find the our blog and guide page over here, and you can also find the FAQ page over here. So right now you need to click on the our blog and guide, and then a page will open where you can find dedicated content and articles that will teach you and also educate you on how you can use the Recharge app platform. So for now, we're going to focus on how you can buy Glow data for your mobile phone. So to buy Glow data for your mobile phone, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have funds on your wallet. And if you do not have funds on your wallet, you need to fund your wallet. And to do that, you need to click on the fund wallet button over here. So once you click on the fund wallet button, a page will open where you can find your automatic funding account. Note that this account is dedicated for you to fund your wallet. And once you have sent your money into this account, your wallet will be automatically funded. So what you need to do is to go to your mobile bank account and make a transfer to this account, and then you get your money deposited into your wallet. So once you have found your wallet, the next thing you need to do is to click on the mobile data button over here. Click on buy now. And once you click on this, a menu will open where you can select your service, your plan, and the phone number you want to buy the data for. And then what I'll do is to select the service I want. So for now, I'm going to select Glow Data, which is over here. And then I'll select the plan I want. And for today, I'm going to buy my 1 gig data for 30 days. You can see the price here is 248 naira. So I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to input my mobile number over here. So once you have imputed the mobile number that you want to buy the data for, what you need to do is to put your transaction PIN, the PIN that you created once you created your wallet. So I'm going to input mine and then I'm going to click on the buy now over here. Once you click on the buy now button, a notification will pop up that will ask you, are you sure you want to purchase Glow data for this number? And then I'm going to click on OK. As you can see, it's showing me a successful notification that my transaction has been processed. And I'm going to click on OK. So as you can see on my wallet balance, there is a debit of 248 naira. And note that this phone number I just purchased Glow data for belonged to a friend of mine. And here is the proof that the Glow data has been received by him. So if this video was helpful to you, click the like button and also subscribe to our channel so you can get quality videos such as this every week. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care.